I'm Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In this video I'm going to show you how I painted this colourful owl in acrylic paints. I carried out a poll on my Patreon asking what animal you'd like me to paint next, and owl was the winner with over 50% of the vote. If you'd like to join the next poll and also want to watch the full-length tutorial of this painting and many others, then you can join my Patreon too. It's Rachel Froud Art. I'll add a link into the description of this video for you. I wanted the background to look like the night sky to give the impression of the owl being lit up by the moonlight, so I went for a dark blue paint and I made it slightly lighter in the middle to create a glow from the centre of the painting. I love to use different materials like sponges, palette knives and different types of brushes to create different textures and effects in the painting. This time I used a sponge to create a smooth velvety texture. I then added a star effect by splattering light blue paint onto the canvas. This technique is really fun and I love how it looks different in each individual painting. I decided to paint a great horned owl as I love the shape of the feathers, especially on their faces, and how it almost frames their beautiful eyes. I have painted one other owl before, which was a snowy owl, so I wanted to try something a little different this time. I used some of my favourite colours to create this painting, including lots of yellows, pinks and purples. These warm tones really contrast and stand out against the cool blue background, which is why it's one of my favourite colour palettes to use. I painted this piece in 2 layers, which I do with almost all of my paintings. The first layer is a bit messy, but it's great for getting paint onto the canvas, and the second layer is where I'll paint in all of the details. I really hope you like watching the process of this painting and seeing it all come together. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.